believe it's morning? I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind.
Finally I'm back, and this is the third part of my Fiat restoration video, and today is all about getting the exhaust and all the rear suspension components out of the back of the car, together with a few other loose bits and brake parts.
Fuck about nothing. Stuck at rock bottom trying to come up on something. Pumping from sundown to sun up, he hustling.
There's not really much to say, so I'll let the video do the talking. Most of the nuts came off quite easily. We had a few issues with the handbrake and some other rusty old stuff. The car turned 41 years old this year, so a few things are quite rusty and old and just generally cruddy. But everything can be replaced. There's loads of stuff in Italy still.
It's morning, I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind. You believe it's morning, I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind.
On rainy days I sit back and count ways on how to get rich. Coolin' with a mean, ill Jamaican bitch. Banana coat matching with the ratchet. Low black weed, sweatpants style. Air Forces acting, jumping in 6 kicks. Lil' Chris talking about the bird. Float through your hood in a mean sense, that's giant. It's like the family that flipped on you for lying. Buried you alive, left your whole crying. We on your floor, look, more dogs.
As you can see, there's quite a bit of rust falling out of a lot of places when you hit stuff with a hammer or the impact wrench. But if you're struggling with an old car, get a big hammer, get a good or reasonably good impact wrench, and get a few friends, because nothing makes life easier and nicer when working on old stuff than having a few mates helping you. So big thank you to David and David this time for helping me with all the fiddly bits.
To stay hood, cause that's what we been through. Risen came through, mastermind, got the cash from power, poop the power past the divine. Classical rhymes, mathematical rhymes, styles unbearable. Now niggas with the radical shine.
You believe it's morning, I'm alive, but that's the last thing on my mind.
We're getting to the end of this video, I'm afraid, but I will be recording a bit more. I've had a bit of a downtime for my channel for quite a while. I noticed I haven't uploaded too much of anything. But bear with me and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye!